Hi, I'm Greg Polkowski, this year's AAHKS Presidential Award recipient. Special thanks to Jay Parvizi for bestowing this award to me. I am quite grateful. I'm also grateful for the opportunity Jay Lieberman gave me many years ago to be his program chair, which gave me exposure to the organization and its leadership structure. And when I reflect back on that, it's really apparent that there's a unifying theme that unites all aspects of our organizational goals: research, education, advocacy, and now our humanitarian efforts. And that is, we are a patient-centered organization. All of these things are focused on making arthroplasty care better for our patients. And we wouldn't be successful in achieving these goals if it weren't for all the members who contribute and donate hours of their time and effort to the different aspects of the organization, as well as the fantastic AAHKS staff led by Mike Zarski. So thanks to the membership for their support, the incredible AAHKS staff, and again, to Jay Parvizi, this year's president, for this great honor. Thank you.